Let's start designing social media post. Bring a texture background and adjust it. Bring a main object in center and adjust it. Make a circle and place it behind main object. Make a copy of main object and clip one with shape. Bring a background and clip with shape. Put a mask on copy object and erase some part with brush. Write a text with font errors medium ITC. Write another text with font book Antiqua. Bring a logo in PNG and adjust it. Take a new layer and put shadow dot effect under the shoes of object. Thank you for watching.